crowdSPRING presents How It Works. So let's say you're opening up a new business or just cleaning up the look of your current business and you need something designed. A logo, a website, some t-shirts, anything really. Instead of going to an agency that'll cost you a fortune, or going to the little guy around the corner who'll only give you like 3 options to choose from, you find this amazing site and decide to give it a whirl. Posting your project's easy. Just describe what you need, set your own price for how much you'll pay, post a deadline, and you're off. After you post your project, we'll alert tens of thousands of designers all around the world, and you'll start getting entries right away. In fact, the average project gets over 100 entries. You just rate the entries as they roll in and give feedback so the creatives get a better idea of what you want. All the while, the entries are getting better and better, closer and closer to exactly what you want, and then, bam, there it is. Once you reach your deadline, you choose the one you like and download the files. We handle all the payment and we give you a totally free contract so you can be uber sure you own your own work in the end. And we have a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you know you'll get what you came for. So let's sum up. No matter what you need designed, post your project, watch our pool of thousands of creatives give you great work to choose from, guaranteed. crowdSPRING. Give us a try.